Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix the common file stream access denied error using your ChatGPT mobile application. So the process is straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. The quickest way to resolve app-related errors is to clear the storage cache and data, forcing the app to start fresh. So don't worry, this won't delete any of your history. So here is what you have to do. Just simply locate your ChatGPT icon and then simply hold onto your icon for a few seconds, and the menu will pop up over here. Click on the I option or App Info. Then in the App Info, you have to click on Clear Data. Then just simply click on Clear Cache. Then click on OK. And after that, click on Clear All Data and then click on OK. Now just simply go back and try launching the application and see if the problem still persists or not. And if it still does, move on to the next step. Now, this error is often caused by the app being denied permissions to access your phone storage or photo gallery, so we need to manually turn this back on. So what you have to do is again click on your app and hold on to it and go to App Info. And this time just simply click on App Permissions. Now over here, just look for File and Media or Storage or anything related to that, and then you simply click on Allow Access to Media Only. And then, as you can see now, it is allowed. Once the permission is granted, relaunch the application and check if the file stream error is gone or not. Now, if the first two steps didn't work, we need to check an important setting inside the ChatGPT app itself, which is related to data usage. So what you do is open your ChatGPT application and then just simply click on the two horizontal lines at the top left-hand side corner. Then just simply click on your user profile icon or name. And after that, just simply scroll down and click on Data Controls. Now find the toggle for Improve the Model for Everyone and just simply turn this feature on, as you can see at the very top right over here. So once you've done that, you can close the application. So if all the methods still fail and you still need to immediately access files, you can always use the web browser version as a reliable temporary fix as well. All you have to do is go to your Chrome or any preferred web browser, go to https://chatgpt.com and log into your account and try to upload your file there. And the web version is generally very stable as well. So that's it. You now know multiple ways to fix the file stream access denied error in ChatGPT. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.